दिवचलच्या नारायण जाटये महाविद्यालया खातीर खासदार निधींतल्यान 42 लाख रुपया खर्च करून स्वतंत्र लायब्ररी बांधतले। या प्रकल्पाक मंजुरी मेळ्ळ्या अशी माहिती महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य राजेंद्र कुमार जुवेकर हांणी दिल्या। ही लायब्ररी जाटये कॉलेजी सयत सरभोंवतणचे विद्यार्थी आनी वाचकांक खातीर उक्ती आसतली। जाटये स्पोर्ट्स संकुलाकडेन ही लायब्ररी बांधतले अशें प्राचार्य कुमार जुवेकर हांणी सांगले।
The independent library block, which will be coming adjacent to this building. Very next hall is coming, a big hall, library hall, which will be open not only for our students, it will be open for the people from surrounding areas, the students from surrounding areas. So we are indeed grateful to BAU on behalf of the management and teaching, non-teaching staff and students. I would like to formally express my sincere thanks to BAU for considering our request and sanctioning. It is already in the process. The tendering process is going on.